Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add Metapixel to Base44. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to connect to your app, so it can start sending valuable tracking data to your Meta account. Adding Metapixel is an important step if you want to understand how users interact with your app. It helps you track actions, measure conversions, and improve your advertising performance by giving Meta better data about your visitors and their behavior. First, open your browser and go to the Base44 app. Make sure you're signed in to the workspace where your app lives, and that you have permission to make changes. Having your Metapixel ID ready before starting will also make the process faster, because you'll need to paste it during the setup. If you're not sure where to find your Metapixel ID, you can usually locate it inside Meta Events Manager. It is a unique numeric identifier connected to your pixel, so make sure you copy the correct one before adding it to your app. Once you're inside Base44, look at the left-hand sidebar and click All Apps. This section shows you a list of every app available in your workspace. Find the specific app you want to connect with Metapixel and click on it to open the app settings. If you manage multiple apps, take a moment to double-check the app name before continuing. This small step can prevent you from connecting the pixel to the wrong project, especially if you have several apps with similar names. With your app open, click Preview. Preview mode allows you to interact with the app the same way a user would, and in this workflow, it also provides access to the assistant that can help configure integrations. Inside Preview, you'll see a prompt area. Click the field labeled "What would you like to chant" to activate it. This is where you communicate with the assistant and tell it what action you want to complete. The wording may look slightly unusual, but this is the correct place to enter your request. You don't need to manually edit code or search through complicated settings. The assistant handles the connection process based on your instructions. Now type "Add Metapixel" and press Enter or click Send. This simple command tells the assistant that you want to connect Metapixel tracking to your Base44 app. After a moment, the assistant will ask for the information required to finish the setup. When prompted, enter your Metapixel ID and press Enter or click Send again. Your Pixel ID is the numeric identifier from Meta Events Manager. Make sure you copy and paste it carefully, because even one incorrect number can prevent tracking from working properly. If you have multiple pixels under your Meta account, verify that you are selecting the one connected to the correct website, business account, or app. Using the wrong pixel can result in inaccurate reporting and incomplete analytics data. That's everything you need to do inside Base44 for this setup. The assistant takes your request and Pixel ID, then connects the integration behind the scenes. After the process finishes, check whether the app displays a confirmation message. Review the details and confirm that the Pixel ID shown matches the one you entered. It's always a good practice to verify your setup after adding tracking tools. This helps make sure your future campaigns, audience data, and conversion tracking are based on accurate information. If you ever need to update your Metapixel later, simply return to Preview and repeat the same request using your new Pixel ID. You've now successfully added Metapixel to your Base44 app using the built-in assistant. This simple setup allows your app to send the right activity data back to your Meta account, helping you understand user behavior, improve analytics, and make smarter advertising decisions. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step.